welcome to BrilliantIT. Today's topic is YouTube revenue drop. How to solve it? Yesterday my revenue is $74, but it show $64, 64.83. So I am very disappointed why it has happened. So how can I solve this problem? If you have a problem, you can solve yourself. So let's check out. First of all, Google Analytics, YouTube Analytics, it show back again 71.89. So I back it again. So $10 is difference $10. So it's best again. So how to solve this problem if you have drop issue? So click in here. First click in here your revenue. Then send feedback. Click the send feedback. So now you write it down.
My YouTube revenue is suddenly drop. Suddenly drop $9. Please fix my issue immediately. Thanks and best regard, BrilliantIT. So write it down like this. You can copy. So then include screenshot. So it takes the screenshot. It takes few seconds. Then submit it. Okay, I already submit it and back my dollar. So how they reply? So you see it. You click in the dashboard now. You click the dashboard of your YouTube studio. Little bit slow my internet. Then I check out the reply. What the reply YouTube give me to? So yes, see here, YouTube reply my message. So what they write it down? Okay, creator, we have quickly update for you. In addition to the missing revenue data, some of you are seeing between November 3 to 8. You might also see delay in real-time data. That means real-time data is delay. Starting the end of the day of November 16, rate assure we still working on fix it. That means until November 16 data they fix it. So this is my first letter. I write it down two letter. There is another one. We receiving report that many of you are seeing no revenue being reflected on YouTube Analytics on November 3 to 8. We are currently working on fix this report. Update it's resolve. So that's why they solve my problem. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel. I hope you can solve your problem like me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.